Hi there, and welcome back to another BobBlast. Hi, I'm Bob Burridge, and this one is all about color. Color when it comes right out of the tube. You know, on my color wheel, it says the dominant color is going to be green. I'm not going to pick just one green. I pick several greens, and I'll show you why I use all those different dark greens and light greens. Let's get started. And if you've been following me, you know before I even start a painting, I go to this chart. I go down this chart right here, and I'm on the back of every one of my painting. So here we go. What's the concept? Well, it's abstract, loose florals. That's what I was doing on this particular one. Composition, well, there we go. The cruciform on both of them. This is all about being loose, right? The cruciform. That's the composition. Color combination. I went right to my chart. Blue. Dominant color is blue. But see here? Dominant color is blue, but it's darker. On this side, it's the light side. As I say, it doesn't have to be exactly that color that's right there on that chart. It just tells me, hey, it's blue. Okay, thanks. I'm going to use blue. I'm going to use several different kinds of blues. Dark blues, dramatic, and I go to the light, more serene side, back and forth. So it's still blue, all right? And it's still, what's the focal point color? Well, you can't miss it. Bam, red. Bam, red. Same spot. One's really intense, one's really light. And then what do we have over here? The two spice colors, yellow and violet. You can still see it, it's real subtle. They're the spice colors. They augment the focal point. So there's my yellow, there's my violet, the purple. There we go, more yellow, more purple. And that's how it works on my color wheel, whether you're going dark or whether you're going light. Now let me show you an actual demo using green. Oh no, green as the dominant color. Here we go. And now for the demo. As I promised you, green is going to be the dominant. Let me show you the materials I'm going to be using. Here on my table, I have the wonderful ampersand wooden panels. You know how wonderful they are. Ampersand, super high quality. I have the skin safer. Sounds like a commercial, doesn't it? And that's the stuff I'm going to put all over my hands, all right? I have my Escoda brushes, handmade. I love them from Spain. My color wheel, and of course the acrylic Holbein paints, ready to go, already laid out for the system of using green as my dominant color in my color wheel. And now I'm ready to go. Let's get started. So I've already put that barrier cream skin safer on my hands. See, it's disappeared already. I've already decided on my color, green being dominant. This opera hot pink is going to be the focal point. And the two spice colors will be this orange yellowish color, kind of a mustard color, and this almost like ultramarine blue. I've already laid them all out on my table. Look at all the different kinds of greens I have. Same kind of two colors, hot pink and the darker pink right here as my focal point. Here are my two spice colors, orangish, yellowish, notice I said ish, and the bluish over here. And I like to mix it all up. Plus I have lots of white over here, lots of white up here in my green area, and I have my good old black. I love to have that black in here. I'm ready to get started. I have my artist panels, ampersand. I'm gonna do a dark one and a light one, just to show you that with the same color scheme, we can go dark or light. It doesn't matter what the value is, just stick with that color combination. I'm ready to go. Here we go. So the dominant color, green, dominant color, green. Is it exactly that green? No. Is it green? Yes. That's how I like to look at it. two values. Now, one's starting to get darker than the other one, so this is going to be the dark one. See, still works. Add some lightness up in here. Here comes the white. This is nice. This is all about playing around, goofing around, lights and darks. But this will be the dark one. Still using the same color combination. You just get a different feeling. See, still greens, still greens. Add a little black to that green. Whoa. Add some more green to that black. Whoa. Doesn't have to be that acid green right out of the tube. You can tone it down. Nice too. So you tone it down, nice. But look how dramatic. Now I'm going to start using some of the focal point color. I haven't put the focal point color in yet. I just can't wait to use some of it. Bingo, there you go. There comes the focal point color. You can't miss it now. And you can put it somewhere else too, but tone it down. See, your eye still goes there. Now this one being the darker one, I'm going to put it somewhere in the same area, see? Hopefully you can see that. That is still the hot, warm color. Not as bright and happy and cheerful and uplifting as this one is. This one's dark, foreboding. Ooh, it's going to the dark side. But it's still there. The color combination is still there. There we go. Whew. Lighter, whole lot lighter. And the blue color, really light. So the blue color over here would be maybe something like this. Whew. Go back and double check, what is that color? A lot of blue in there. I'm adding white to it so I can see it. Like, there you go, see? Now I can see it. That's basically what I wanted to show you. Oh, I put the orange color? Yeah, I did. I'm gonna add some more spice color. Bing. One more, and one more. Oh, oh. It's hard to stop, huh? Yeah. Need some scraping texture. Oh. So there you have it. The dark side, the light side, different values. It never has to be just that one green or that one blue or that one yellow. Mix it up, have fun. Hey, I'll see you on the next BobBlast. Thanks for sharing. I just can't wait to throw some more paint at you in the next time.